Hey Nuala, it's me again. You're probably sick of looking at me at this stage, but I hope you enjoyed the last video. This is just a few notes to tie everything together at the end. So you'll notice the end of that video was a little bit rushed, and that's because Screencast-O-Matic only gives you 15 minutes to do your video before it cuts you off. And so it's a little bit rushed there at the end, but that's why. You also notice there's only part of the lesson, so I gave 2 learning intentions at the start of that class. And I only did obviously 1 in the video. The plan was for that class to actually do the 2 learning intentions, but when I did it, I actually didn't fit the 2 learning intentions in either by the end of the class once we'd corrected the stuff. And the kids had some questions to ask. We weren't going to have time to do the second learning intention and a summary at the end of the class. So what we did, we actually did the summary at the end of the class instead. I played the little game with them in the hot seat that's written on the lesson plan, and instead I rearranged the homework. I adapted it, so the closed test I was going to give them for homework, I scratched that for that day, and I asked them to draw the volcanic mountain and label it for their homework instead into their hardbacks. So I just changed that around, and I then used the closed test in the class the next day as the recap for the next class. Yeah, so you'll see the rest of it's on anything that I didn't portray in the videos on the lesson plan. I have a reflection for that class as well, actually, so I'll include that into the folder where my lesson plan and stuff is, and I have pictures of the kids' work from that as well, so I'll include that in the folder as well. And I actually took a picture of structure of the whiteboard today when I was in school, and I took a picture of the structure of my whiteboard for the classes, so I do certain things on each part of the whiteboard. So I took a picture of that as well, and I'll upload that into the folder for you too. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you very soon for a live tutor inspection. See you later.